Hi everyone, this is Brenda Sanchez and I wanted to do a quick video on how to parent signature into banner season so that you can use it in your cards. So the first thing you want to do is take a white piece of paper and you want to use a fine tip Sharpie and you want to sign your name, and then you want to take a picture of it with your phone, as you can see here. And then I'm actually going to send that image, because I took it from my phone, over to my Facebook Messenger, because that's the easiest way. Whoops. Easiest way for me to get it on my computer. Now I'm going to go over to my Facebook Messenger and I'm going to go to my messages and I'm going to click on it and hit download. It's going to download it onto my desktop because that's an easy place to find it. And then I'm going to go over here to remove.bg/upload, and I'm going to click upload an image, and I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to click on that image, and you're going to see that it's over here, transparent. And I am going to hit download. And I'm going to say transparent signature. And I'm going to put it on my desktop. And now I'm going to show in the folder. And I'm going to view it so that you can see it enlarged. Now this one's transparent. It shows that it's a PNG, which means it's transparent. All I'm going to do is right click and then I'm going to say rotate left. And now it's going to be straight. And now I'm going to right click and whoops, actually I'm going to go over to banner season and I'm going to log into my account and I am going to go to a card and I'm going to start from scratch and design your own landscape. And I'm going to go to the inside of the card because I just want to show you how to put the signature in there. I'm going to hit upload. I'm going to click to find that file and say open and say done once I have the check mark. Now you're going to see it over here and all I do is drag it over and I'm in transform right now so I can make this, I can grab the handles on either side of the box and make it smaller. Then I can grab the corner and then I can make it whatever size I want. Right now it's a little slanted. I like my signature slanted, but if you like your signature straight, you can just grab right here where the circle is and you can rotate it any way you want. So that's how you add your signature into a card.